Those clouds, I think we may have rain coming. So I'm going to take a break and go finish my job of draining my tractor. So I'm going to use a power drilled pump to extract the gas. It's made for water. I'm going to use it for gas. And my safe gas can. So I have my pump and my hoses and my drill, and I used a bit of PVC piping to help me get all the way to the bottom of my gas tank. And here come the supervisors, Mama Kitty and Cat. So we call her Kit and Cat, coming to supervise the work. I attached the bucket to the spinning head just to start with, in case it span too much, but I actually ended up just using it with the drill, and it does not spin out of control. Here I have the hoses, one in at the bottom of the gas can, one going to the gas can and one going into the gas tank. I'm going to attach my drill right there to that drill bit. And now I'm going to pump. And it's working! So I ended up taking over 5 and a bit gallons of liquid out of the tractor, which is good because I know I didn't put more than 5 gallons of petrol or gas into my diesel tank. I also used the PVC pipes to help guide the hose all the way down to the bottom, and that worked very, very well. Note to self, yellow, not red. Well, this was definitely not the way that I intended to spend day 4 of not having jury duty. I'm glad I made the mistake and was able to share it with you. I learned something, I shared something, and it's not always about the mistakes that we make, but what we learn along the way. I've got to tell you, this could have been a costly one, and I'm glad it didn't end up that way.